Now then, how are we all doing? It's really hard recording with an iPhone, especially when you can't flip the camera, so bear with me if it goes a bit skew with. I thought I'd just do a video of a new garage install that I have done today. So what we got here, the customer is looking at getting a car charger. It will be installed by council or some other company anyway. So the masters, they needed to get us a new consumer unit here, and the house is down there, and I'll show you the cable very shortly. So this is the new fuse board. We've gone for a wireless unit just to match it house more than anything. We've got plenty of spare way for our EV car charger, and then we also added a bit for an electric garage door and some double socket. So the main thing about this is this cable is quite a special cable, and it's actually got a communications cable inside it along with the power that goes from here all the way back to, show you, the meter cupboard, which I probably should have opened up before I did this video. Just do that. So this is all your mains gibberish, and there is a clamp to go over these cables. This day cable here comes from the garage. So that's ready now. Installation should be really easy. Should. No complaints from the installers. So we'll go back up onto cable. So we've had a trench all the way down there. See some seed and stuff like that. Probably shouldn't give up a day job, definitely not a gardener or landscape gardener. So this cable here, it is in a little, just a bit of a plastic conduit just to get under flags. Because you're going to have flags here, and I thought it might be best in some way, shape or form. If all goes wrong under there, you can potentially run a new cable by using that tube maybe. So that runs all the way down and round, and we've done some modification work inside the house. My customer's there in a minute, so I don't really want to walk in and shove camera in her face. So there you have it. We've added surge protection here, we've had surge protection down there. The client asked for that installing, and which is a good thing. The surge protection, good for over 10 meters, and then after that really you should be considering other surge protection devices. Cars quite expensive, as you know, so this is a good thing to have here and down there just in cases. And then we've got a standard RCBO, so it's a nice modern fuse board as this. He's got the RCDs built in. This will last you the next 10 years unless the regulations change massively, which I can't see it. You should be good for years to come. So what do you think? One of my favourite installs is a garage electrical installation. Absolutely love it, especially when it's glorious outside. Let us know in the comments or give us a like what you think. Alright, we'll see you later.